Say to the president.
Yeah, thank you very much. This visit by the leaders of Christian Association of Nigeria to the home of His Excellency the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and his wife, the mother of the nation, Senator Oluremi Tinubu, is to felicitate with the first family in this particular period of Christmas, and to appreciate them for what they are doing, especially for providing for the poor and being committed to moving our country forward. And of course, the recent efforts they are making to see that Nigeria every Nigerian lives in peace in this country. It is something that we are so happy about. I can tell you, this Christmas happened to be the first Christmas in many years that we were not woken up with a phone call at midnight to say that a church was attacked. And it is a testimony that we must share, and we hope and pray that this will continue. We are also here to pledge our commitment to continue to work with the President for the progress and development of our country, Nigeria.
Thank you, sir. At a time in the country, the polity was there was tension following the comments made by the U.S. President Donald Trump. Now, how do you describe the way the handling of the issue by the president?
No, we will say that the president is responsive, to the issues that are being raised. We are seeing renewed efforts and renewed commitment, to strengthen the security architecture and to make sure that at least Nigerians will be going out in peace and coming back in peace. Of course, there is still a lot to be done, but we know that the president has started very well, and we pray that this will be sustained. And we hope that maybe by next year we'll be able to see visible results of what is being done now.
Thank you.
Yes.
Can you introduce yourself and your designation?
My name is Archbishop Daniel Oko, the president of CAN.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.